Good afternoon. We are back, man, to another vlog. You can see here
Main boy
Ayush.
Abi.
Hey, where's your Abi? Where's your pom-pom, man?
Pom-pom ya.
Ayush Mali here. Ayush Mali, and we have Abi.
Abi here, this side.
And we have Papa here. You can see we are all in the Indian clothes, Indian attire.
Wedding,
No wedding, man.
Your wedding.
We're going to Garden City for a movie premiere. It's an Indo-Fijian movie. We got invited a few weeks ago, and now it's the day. Let me see here. The movie is called Langha Phobia.
Langha Phobia.
Langha means?
Like Langha in Fijian. No money. Oh, no money.
Nah.
Langha. No, not that Langha.
Oi.
Langha means that Indian
clothes.
clothes the ladies, females wear
Here.
below the sari, or that's called Langha.
Oh.
And or Langha it can be a loose outfit below the waistline,
Oh.
Top.
not the top.
And phobia means you're scared of it. You're scared of the down below.
It would be interesting to see what it's all about.
Yeah. We didn't get much information what's gonna happen. We were just told to be there between 4 and 4:30. And yeah.
So that movie is all the dialogue is in Fiji Hindi.
Yes. So we are just trying to support the Fiji community, you know, because there are a lot of creative people out there, you know, Indo-Fijians, Fijians.
What can we say about movies made in Fiji? What can it be called? Hollywood, Bollywood? This one would be what wood?
What would? Fiji wood.
Fiji pine.
Fiji pine. Fiji pine. I think we'll go with that. But the trademark, I don't think we can get away with it. I think Fiji pine is already trademarked. But yeah, we're on the way, and we have some samosa here with us. They said for us to bring some snacks.
It's an invite.
Yeah, it's an invite. Invite only. It was quite random. Me and Papa and Daddy were out eating close to Garden City.
Yeah.
And then Papa's friend introduced us to, I think, the producer. Yeah.
Producer, actor.
Yeah, producer and actor. And then, you know, we spoke back and forth, and then he was like inviting us to come to this premiere. And I got Abi and I use my brothers from Ba to join too. Kaimba. So yeah, man, really looking forward to it. Are you looking forward to the movie? Are you guys looking? Yeah?
I'm looking for the red carpet.
Oh, a red carpet. Yeah, they say it's gonna be a red carpet, but let's see, man. You know, we don't know how many are gonna turn up, so we hope a lot of people. If it's only us, woo.
Where's the first exit?
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot the food platter. We go back and get it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go. Yell it.
Today nahi re.
Yeah, he said down feel Logan motivated.
We are here already, man. Westfield Garden City. Look. It's time to go, but we can't see anyone in sari or Indian attire. Other than us.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's one there.
Oh, sorry there.
Follow up.
Follow for more.
Read in the comments.
Ini bukan DQ.
We're here now, man. Let's go up. Why?
Oh yeah. Pam, man.
Papa's leaving us.
No, he's just checking if there's less people, we just go back.
Oh, there's plenty of people.
Fuck, we wore the wrong outfit. Fuck.
Bruh, we're overdressed. Shit, man. Bro, I feel like we're overdressed a little bit here.
We overdressed, man.
It's too overkill.
Put this here,
Yeah, put that. We have the snacks here. No, we're not overdressed.
Yeah, Brisbane.
Oh, Brisbane.
The boys back.
Another vlog.
Yeah.
One thing is hard for me is making with people. I have to learn it. I think it's a Danish thing, you know. Oh, vinaka.
Where's mine?
Bruh. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
I got one. Thank you. A lot of people here, man. Hey. Oh, thank you. We are not underdressed, eh? Like we see people too in
Overdressed.
Overkill.
Oh, sorry, overdressed. That's what I mean. Now we're just lining up for some food.
Looks like a fish market here, bro.
Yeah. Gonna have surwa.
Yes, chicken.
Plenty of chili before the movie starts. Changli murgi.
Hot and spicy.
Oh man, a lot of people here in Sari. We have our Indian attire here. Wow. Promoting our Fiji Hindi culture, Indo-Fijian culture. Gotta show some love, you know, for the Indo-Fijian community. You can see here.
By the time the line gets there, everything will be finished.
Okay. We have snacks here, people. Look. How lovely. I don't even know what kind of snacks it is. But
Just pick up and eat.
just pick up and eat. Yes. We're gonna try everything here.
Right, you like the hair color there?
Oh.
We will do it on you when you're sleeping. Find your hairpin.
Imagine if I just did that and came home to daddy. Okay, people, let me just fill up my plate with snacks and then I'll get back. Oh, look at this, man. Gluten-free option. So you can avoid box. And we have the donuts here. Do you just pick it with your hand or? Let's try the donut. Good, eh? Very good.
Very sweet. Diabetes.
During halfway, I'll go to the toilet, boy. This is spicy.
This is actually pretty good. The donut. I think over here is where you take the photos. Are you ready for the photos? Boy, man, we look good, guys. We look good, man.
I think so. Yes.
We just took some photos over there. I think we're just waiting for the movie to begin, man. Oh yeah.
Too much for Phobia.
Boy, people, it's so hot in there, man. Standing close to so many people.
Hungry.
Hot people there.
But many ladies here.
Yes.
Amazing, eh?
Huh?
Amazing.
Yes. Some from India.
India.
Those guys miss the Leonidas what boat? Yes. So they
Oi.
came from India.
Oh, because they missed the boat a long
Yes,
time
their
ago.
name was written, registered, but they never turn up.
They were on India time. They thought it was
Yes, India time.
the boat left at 9. They came at 12.
Yes, they missed.
$50.
Oh, 50 bucks for 4 Heineken.
And it is zero, is it?
Yesterday for $57 I got one whole case.
Yeah, you can get a whole case.
We should have went out and bought one case, come in again.
They won't let us in.
Samosa nahi like that.
And if someone comes in, they're all finished, huh?
Class, class. So they're taking some photos right now. I think that all the actors and people who are involved in the project or in the movie. And we are just sitting here in the corner or standing here in the corner drinking our beers on a Sunday.
Hey, Sunday.
Bro, everybody's having tea and coffee and we are here. After this, are you shout, eh?
Yes, yes. From me, on my side.
$50. Don't buy the case, buy the...
Oh, last.
Really? I'll give it.
Serain, what do you think? What do you think?
Right, next.
Boy, amazing, man.
Amazing, man. Amazing.
एक बार जो चढ़े जुबा पे करजवा से उतरे तो रोम रोम गरजे करजवा से उतरे तो रोम रोम गरजे करजवा से उतरे तो रोम रोम गरजे हथवा से छू कर करजवा में उतरे हथवा से छू कर करजवा में उतरे हथवा से छू कर करजवा में उतरे तोड़े बुढ़ापा को तूफान कर दे तोड़े बुढ़ापा को तूफान कर दे तोड़े बुढ़ापा को तूफान कर दे
नहीं भैया.
While we are waiting, we're having some pure water here.
Pure water.
Pure water. Nothing suspicious.
Nothing.
Taste, Manda, you taste. Let me taste,
Spring
Manda.
water
This.
boy, julum re.
You can't keep bringing the water, eh?
Why? Just like Fiji water, man.
Did I give it to Musa? No. No.
You try.
He's driving.
Oh. Julum, eh?
Ah, Julum, eh?
Like Fiji.
Fiji.
Fijian style.
You might smile throughout the movie.
Hey. Feita.
Pani pilo.
पानी पियो ना पानी कितना पाएगा
Bro, I feel like this evening is gonna go bad.
How's that?
BWS
Just like Fiji, eh? Fiji water.
Kaidolo.
Quickly finish this.
That's why he was gone.
Yeah. Coming. So Oh, you know you.
Oh, he's the one who gave the invite.
I kind of like this event now.
If it takes any longer, we'll be like.
Calling sick tomorrow.
Oh yeah, calling sick. Sorry, boss. My hand paining too much. Can't come back.
If I just call in sick SSM, no, come to work.
Here they come. There's a big turnout, around about 400 people. Come on, boys. Ooh, end up in Bollywood, boys. Ayush, where's your partner?
Red carpet, bro.
Oh, great experience, man. He said he's gonna take the carpet home so we can practice every day.
Wait, how was the red carpet moment?
Very red. Keep up the hydration, boys. Keep
Yes,
up the
yes,
hydration.
keep up the hydration, man. Remember, work tomorrow. Hey,
Sick leave.
sick leave. Sick leave. Chalo. Hydration is key.
Is the key to success. Success. Succeed. Very healthy.
Very healthy, eh? Remember, it's only water, eh?
It's only water. Nothing suspicious.
Nothing suspicious. I don't know how this guy comes up with these ideas, man.
Lucky I didn't put the rum. Junior Sandeep, my father. Free. You have to pay. Ask.
Hey guys, feel free to grab a popcorn or drink on your way through.
One per person, please.
I'll take it. Why? Why isn't the...
All good. There we go. Feel free to grab a popcorn as well.
Yeah.
Ayush, you'll fall asleep.
If we are asleep, we put the vlog on the.
Yeah, you know, ready for the movie. Hey, how's the popcorn?
Boy, they should have given it more. Eh?
Yeah?
This is left.
Hey, you should wait for the movie to start, man.
Just what's the cover picture? I need all the popcorn. Can't wait, man.
We are out. We finished the movie. It's almost... Oh, it's over 10:30 now, man. 9:30. 9:30. What do you think?
The movie, re? Ooh, what I say, man?
Popcorn was free.
Popcorn free.
How many
yogurt free.
popcorns we got?
Oh, I don't
Lot,
know.
man.
6.
Oh, a lot, re?
Yeah,
The movie was not bad.
but
good
some of the
movie.
things in there were funny, eh?
Yes.
Was
We
Fiji
survived.
Hindi.
Fiji Hindi.
Langha Phobia.
And the bull, man.
Main actor pretty, eh?
Pretty, yes. Santi dude.
Ooh, Santi Kola use.
Hey, Ayush, when you get married, make sure you don't get Langha Phobia. Hey?
No Langha Phobia.
Oh, yeah. What a day. Now we can finally go home and rest. Oh,
Early start tomorrow.
early start for me and Avi tomorrow.
Yes, me too, re?
Hey, what time?
7 o'clock.
Very cheap. Okay, time to go home, man. Yalla.